How to add or change your payment method on Amazon fast and easy in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change or add a payment method to your Amazon.com. So first thing, go to Amazon and log into your account, and after that go here in the top and click on your account. Now right here you will find many options, but you have to choose the your payment option. Click on it and here you go. Now right here you can add a payment method easy and fast. You can add credit card, Amazon store card, personal checking account, or FSA or HSA cards. You have actually many options you can choose and add it or change it as you want. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.